What's up, everybody? Today we are going to talk about the almighty Google again and how to improve what Google thinks about your website. And what I mean by that is that Google has guidelines that it follows. Of course, they have an algorithm, but they also follow guidelines that of certain things that they are looking for on your website. And these are some easy fixes or easy things that you can add to your site, or you might want to update and fix what you already have. Take a look at, because it tells you right from the horse's mouth, right from Google, what they are looking for. So give that a shot. But on top of that, after you've read that, or if you've decided not to read it, you can also update things on your website. For example, the About Us page, or if you have a bio page, they're telling you this is the perfect time to rewrite the old tired About Us page, and write it thinking about your customers and what they want to know about your business by answering questions like errors, and have a clear call to action, stuff like that. Also, thin content, remove or rewrite thin content. So if you have a couple 1 or 2 sentence pages, paragraphs, posts floating around there, it might be a good idea to combine all of that in all of the thin product, all of the thin content into a larger paragraph that is a solid resource on a specific topic. And then you can redirect all the URLs to that single page instead of having all of these thin content pages or posts all over the place.